Hello guys, I'm opening unboxing of AirPods. I just ordered from Amazon. Let's do this. Okay, so that's IT100 plus true wireless earbuds, 5.2 hi-fi sports working. This is UK compatible. Company is this. Address is in here. The phone number as well. Company name, I think they're just making AirPods. Model is this, 8-hour battery life, 40 hours time play, charging 1.5 hours, 1 hour's headset time. That's the adapter. The color is white. Let's open the box now. Okay, so right, that's the manual. English, Dutch, French, Italiano, Spanish. Okay. Alright. That's all information in 5 languages. That's the case, charging case. Alright, that's quite amazing. It's charged. Alright, let's see the earbuds. Alright. Where's the head of this one? Should be here. Okay, so if I connect this, alright, so I done this is for left and right. Design is quite good. So let me try and connect the Bluetooth and see. Bluetooth. Alright, it's already connected. IT100 plus connected. Let's play some songs. Alright, it's quite nice, good volume. So that's the unboxing for this, guys. If you want, I can put the link description, Amazon on my description. You can go and order yourself. It's just $19.99. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.